Welcome to our channel. We're so happy you're here. If you love woodworking, DIY home decor, and creative handmade projects, then today's video is perfect for you. In this video, we'll show you how to make beautiful modern driftwood wall art that adds warmth, texture, and natural elegance to any room. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just starting your DIY journey, this project is simple, enjoyable, and full of creative possibilities. Driftwood has a unique story written by nature, shaped by water, wind, and time, making every piece one of a kind. By the end of this video, you'll have the inspiration and confidence to transform ordinary driftwood into stunning wall art for your home or even as handmade gifts to sell or share. So gather your materials, prepare your workspace, and let's begin this creative woodworking adventure together. Modern driftwood wall art is one of the most beautiful ways to bring nature indoors while creating a stylish decorative piece that complements almost every interior design style. From minimalist Scandinavian homes to cozy rustic cottages and modern farmhouse living rooms, driftwood art blends naturally into its surroundings. The beauty of driftwood lies in its weathered texture, soft natural colors, and unique shapes that cannot be duplicated. Every branch has its own character, allowing each finished artwork to become truly original. Before starting your project, spend time collecting or selecting driftwood pieces that are dry, strong, and free from decay. Look for interesting curves, smooth surfaces, and varying lengths that will help create movement and balance within your design. If collecting driftwood from beaches, lakes, or rivers, make sure it is legally permitted in your area, and always choose pieces that have naturally fallen rather than damaging living trees. Once you've gathered your driftwood, the first important step is cleaning it thoroughly. Wash each piece with fresh water to remove sand, dirt, salt, and loose debris. If necessary, scrub gently using a stiff brush to clean deep grooves and textured surfaces. After washing, allow the wood to dry completely for several days in a sunny, well-ventilated area. Dry wood is much easier to work with and helps prevent mold or cracking later. Some woodworkers choose to lightly sand rough edges while leaving most of the natural texture untouched. This combination preserves the authentic appearance while making the finished artwork safe to handle. If insects or moisture are a concern, the driftwood can be baked at a low temperature for a short period or treated with an appropriate wood preservative before beginning assembly. Planning your design is one of the most enjoyable parts of the project. Lay all your driftwood pieces on a large table or directly on the floor and experiment with different arrangements. There is no single correct design because modern driftwood wall art celebrates creativity and natural variation. Some artists prefer symmetrical geometric patterns, while others enjoy flowing organic compositions that mimic waves, trees, mountains, or abstract sculptures. You may arrange pieces in circles, spirals, sunbursts, layered rectangles, or cascading vertical designs. Step back frequently and observe your composition from different angles to ensure visual balance. Taking photos during this stage allows you to compare several arrangements before choosing your favorite layout. A sturdy backing board provides the foundation for your artwork. Depending on your design, you may use plywood, reclaimed wood panels, MDF, or even a hidden wooden frame. Some modern designs intentionally leave the backing invisible by connecting driftwood directly together using hidden screws, dowels, or metal brackets. This floating appearance creates a clean contemporary look while highlighting the beauty of each natural wood piece. Before attaching the driftwood permanently, mark each position carefully using a pencil so you can recreate your chosen arrangement accurately. Assembly requires patience and attention to detail. Small pieces may be secured using high-quality wood glue designed for decorative projects, while larger sections benefit from screws inserted from the back of the panel. If screws are visible, they can often be concealed beneath overlapping pieces of driftwood or decorative wooden plugs. Clamps help maintain firm pressure while adhesives cure completely. Work gradually from the center outward, checking alignment regularly as your artwork grows. The beauty of driftwood means that small imperfections often enhance the final result rather than detract from it, giving your creation an authentic handcrafted appearance. Adding dimension transforms a simple wall decoration into striking three-dimensional artwork. Instead of mounting every piece flat against the surface, raise selected branches using wooden spacers or hidden blocks behind the driftwood. This layering creates shadows that change throughout the day as natural light moves across the room. The result is dynamic wall art that appears different from every viewing angle. Combining thin branches with thicker weathered logs creates additional visual interest while emphasizing depth and texture. Many woodworkers enjoy combining driftwood with other natural materials to create unique mixed-media designs. Smooth river stones, reclaimed timber, shells, preserved moss, rope, leather accents, or black metal details can all complement driftwood beautifully when used sparingly. Modern design often embraces simplicity, so avoid overcrowding your composition. Leaving open space allows each natural element to stand out, while maintaining a clean contemporary appearance that fits today's interior decorating trends. Finishing your artwork depends on the style you wish to achieve. Many people love the soft gray and weathered tones of untreated driftwood because they reflect nature's original beauty. Others apply a clear matte protective finish that preserves color while protecting against dust and moisture. Satin finishes provide a gentle sheen without making the wood appear artificial, while matte finishes maintain a completely natural appearance. Avoid heavy, glossy coatings that hide the unique texture and character of weathered wood. Test any finish on a small hidden area first to ensure it produces the desired effect. Lighting plays an important role in showcasing driftwood wall art. Position your finished piece where natural sunlight gently highlights its texture during the day, or install warm LED accent lighting above or below the artwork to emphasize its three-dimensional form during the evening. Soft lighting enhances every curve, knot, and weathered grain pattern, creating dramatic shadows that bring the artwork to life. Whether displayed above a fireplace, sofa, dining table, hallway console, or bedroom headboard, driftwood art immediately becomes a focal point that captures attention. Modern driftwood wall art also offers wonderful opportunities for personalization. You can incorporate family initials, meaningful words, inspirational quotes, or geometric wooden accents that reflect your own style. Some artists create abstract mountain landscapes using layered driftwood, while others design coastal scenes inspired by the ocean. Tree silhouettes, circular mandalas, starbursts, and minimalist line art are all popular choices that blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design. Every project becomes a reflection of the maker's imagination, ensuring no two artworks are ever identical. One of the greatest advantages of driftwood projects is sustainability. Using reclaimed natural materials reduces waste while celebrating resources that nature has already shaped over many years. Instead of purchasing mass-produced wall decorations, creating handmade driftwood art supports environmentally conscious craftsmanship while producing meaningful home decor with lasting value. Handmade creations often become treasured family heirlooms because they carry memories of the creative process and the natural materials from which they were made. If you're interested in selling your woodworking projects, modern driftwood wall art has strong appeal in local craft markets, online handmade shops, home decor boutiques, and interior design exhibitions. Customers appreciate the uniqueness of genuine driftwood because every piece differs in shape, color, and texture. High-quality photography, careful craftsmanship, and attractive presentation significantly increase the perceived value of handmade artwork. Offering custom sizes and personalized designs allows you to meet individual customer preferences while building a recognizable artistic style. As your woodworking skills continue to develop, challenge yourself by experimenting with larger installations, multiple panels, floating sculptures, or combinations of driftwood with reclaimed hardwoods. Every new project teaches valuable lessons about composition, balance, texture, and craftsmanship. Don't be afraid to make adjustments during construction, because creativity often evolves naturally as you work with each unique piece of wood. Sometimes the most beautiful design emerges unexpectedly, while responding to the natural shape of the materials themselves. Creating modern driftwood wall art is about much more than assembling pieces of wood. It is an opportunity to slow down, appreciate nature, develop craftsmanship, and create meaningful decorations that bring warmth and character into everyday living spaces. Each weathered branch carries a history shaped by rivers, lakes, or oceans, and your creativity gives it a new purpose within your home. The finished artwork reflects both nature's artistry and your own imagination, producing something that cannot be replicated by machines or factory production. Every time you look at your completed wall art, you'll remember the enjoyable process of transforming simple natural materials into something beautiful and inspiring. Whether you're decorating a modern apartment, a rustic farmhouse, a beach house, or a contemporary office, driftwood wall art provides timeless elegance that never goes out of style. Its neutral colors complement almost every decorating palette while adding warmth and organic texture to minimalist interiors. Handmade woodworking projects also provide a satisfying creative outlet that encourages patience, problem-solving, and artistic expression. Each completed piece becomes a reminder that extraordinary beauty can be created from simple materials found in nature. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this modern driftwood wall art tutorial has inspired you to start your own woodworking project and create something truly unique for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and fellow woodworkers, and subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY woodworking and home decor ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest projects and inspiring designs. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us how you would design your own driftwood wall art or share photos of your finished creations. Thank you again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing woodworking inspiration. Happy woodworking and have a wonderful day.